Okay, in part one, I showed you how lines 1 through 5 work exactly like the 408, just with a different key. I didn't mention the I at the end of this, mainly because I forgot. Don't tell anybody. But this goes to line 6. Okay, here's line 6 through 10 using key 1, and you'll see that it doesn't spell anything, maybe a couple of small words, but not enough to go by. The Zodiac assumed that you would throw away your first key and try to come up with a second key that works, which would be the obvious thing to do, but I was working with graph paper, and so I quickly realized what he did. And here is your second key. What you do is put it below the first key, and this is the message that you get. I like being famous, like training my slave. I did like 2 better. First to kill was Diane. I started telling, which obviously you see the G is missing from telling. You'll find that on line 11. Now, as far as this part where it says Diane, you'll notice that I put an N down below the Zodiac symbol because that's the letter that it becomes in line 11. And it could easily say Diane B or Diana B, or it could just say Diane with a double N, and that for some reason that's what I chose to go with, but you can make your own decision on which one you think is correct. It works exactly the same as the 408. It's just he doubled up on the codes. You have to use key 1 and key 2 together in order to find the message. Now, if you look at the mistakes, I put them over here on the right, and I'm going to be doing that on the following videos because this hidden message gets actually pretty long. But if you look at the beginning letters of the hidden message on this one and look back at the hidden message on the 408, you'll notice some similarities, the R, S, O, S. That's how I knew I was on the right track. Lines 11 through 20 take an entirely different key, but it works the exact same way. This is what you get if you apply key 2 to the Z13 and the Z32. You'll notice that it doesn't really give you anything more than you already had, and that's because he knew that if you cracked this part, you were going to get the next section too. So he's going to make you wait until the end to get the full message. Next, lines 11 through 15.